Hello my Whoop friends. In this video you can see this little 75mm Whoop with 40mm propellers from HQ Prop, the ultralight ones. The motors are 0702 28,000 kV motors from Happy Model. The camera is the Tiny Whoop pinch cam in the Beta FPV canopy. The frame is also from Beta FPV, the R75 frame. The flight controller is the Diamond F4 from Happy Model, the old one, FR Sky. The motor screws are peak motor screws. And that's about it for this Whoop.
Hello my Whoop friends. As some of you already know from my community post, I decided to convert my 16-gram 65mm Whoop with 31mm propellers to a 17-gram 65 Pro Whoop with 35mm propellers, and now finally to a 75mm Whoop with 40mm propellers. In this video you can see some footage of my test flights with it. The deciding factor to me for daring to build a 75mm Whoop with 702 motors were the new lightweight HQ Prop 40mm two-bladed propellers. I had the feeling that with these new lightweight propellers it could be that the medium or high kV 702 motors were powerful enough to spin up the 40mm propellers. Especially after the success with the 65 Pro Whoop with 35mm tri-bladed propellers. And I have to say this Whoop definitely flew better than expected. But not quite as good as the 65 Pro Whoop with 35mm propellers. With this 75mm Whoop I can feel that the motors are lacking a little bit of torque. Not much, but as an experienced pilot you can feel that this combo is a little overpropped. I had a little trouble with the throttle control, as well as in the exercises and on the racetrack. It doesn't feel quite as safe as motors with more torque. I would say a few pilots will like this combo, and many pilots probably not, which I can also understand, especially experienced race pilots and pro race pilots. But for some intermediate pilots, this combo is definitely worth checking out, and I think some will maybe stick with this combo. For example, because of the slightly longer hover flight time, or maybe for the nice low disclode flight feeling, and for the possibility of being able to fly well with two-bladed props. Some other pilots will prefer 65 Pro Whoops with 35mm tri-bladed propellers. And the rest of the pilots will still prefer 65mm Whoops with tri-bladed 31mm propellers, which is probably the largest part. And for pilots who crash often and don't have the money for new propellers, there is also the option of using 35mm propellers in a 75mm frame. Then the 702 motors have enough torque to turn the props. The takeoff weight is also okay and the propellers would then last almost forever. And the motor shafts too. The same applies of course to 31mm props in frames for 35mm propellers like the Beta FPV 65 Pro frame. For me personally, the combo of 40mm propellers with 702 motors is not ideal. I prefer 802 engines with 40mm three-blade propellers. However, the 702 motors are surprisingly well suited for modern lightweight 35mm propellers. However, I also prefer 31mm propellers because the throttle resolution is a little better. And because every gram counts on the racetrack. But I will probably come back to the 65 Pro combo again this year. But not to the 75mm 702 combo. It was an interesting experiment and I was able to expand my experience again. But as a race Whoop, the 75mm 702 combo isn't good enough for me. I hope this video helped you decide which Whoop is ideal for you at this point in your piloting career. In my opinion, this combo is worth testing for some pilots. I hope you can see from this video that this combo has at least some potential for some pilots. I wish you a lot of fun recreating this Whoop. Please also check out the other videos on my YouTube channel, and if my channel gives you some value, then you can subscribe to the channel, like my videos and give me feedback in the comments. I am happy to be in contact with you, and if you show me that, I should continue. That gives me motivation. Thank you, my friends. Happy flying.
You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right? Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
Well, that's not what I was told.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. It means no worries. You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right? Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
Well, that's not what I was told.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata. Hakuna Matata. Matata. It means no worries. You gotta put your past behind you. Look, kid. Bad things happen, and you can't do anything about it, right?
Right.
Wrong! When the world turns its back on you, you turn your back on the world.
Well, that's not what I was told.
Then maybe you need a new lesson. Repeat after me. Hakuna Matata.
What?
Hakuna Matata. It means no worries.
In the rest of the video you can see my current favorite whoop, the Beta FPV 75 Pro in my modified Butterfly FPV edition. I really like this whoop because it is a very good all-round whoop. If you are interested in how I modified this whoop, then check out the playlist about the 75 Pro on this YouTube channel. Happy flying, my friends!
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yeah, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way, or the highway. And in the driveway is a nice range. Cause I grind through the climb, I invite pain. You'll never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They're deceived with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to know, man, I still go.